Okay, for the first few videos, we talk about this camera and what the features I like about this camera is it has a built-in XLR inputs in which for podcast it can be used directly without any external sound card. Then you can do a podcast video for this, and the image quality it produced with a small sensor, comparing this with a micro mirrorless and a DSLR, and still this camera can compete with the current lineup of DSLR and camera. Although this is not a cinematic camera, it is used for my everyday documentation. I love this because of the battery life. It has a dual card slot in which I can record primary and backup. So this is one of the main feature. But this camera specifically, I think is used for event videographers because this can live stream without any hassle. And it has a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can stream this online, feed it to your internet, then do a live event. And for film and documentary, since the versatility of the lens, then this will be a good camera. Run and gun, like no need to bring any other setup aside from the extra batteries and a tripod. Then you will be able to document use this for documentation, for wildlife, any remote. Okay, and also this can be used as a corporate event or a corporate conference. Then you can use this to feed it to your live stream or feed it to your projector, because this one has a full HDMI output, so a powerful pack camera. And then what I like about this is because of the limitation of the sensor, it also the grip, since this is a removable grip, you can just undo the screw, then remove the grip. So it is a small form factor for a documentary. Then you can use a wireless microphone, mount it in the mic input, then you'll have a small form. But if you want the XLR with a features of the audio, then you can mount it again. The full XLR also has a 48 volts capability, so you can power your condenser mic for this lighter setup. Okay, so one person band, you can use it, document, just point and press that record button, then it's already a run and gun show for this one. Okay, so this is one of the best camera itself. I will post another video in which I will use this camera to sample the footages of its highest form recording. So as long as you record, document your life, then this camera, what is really important is the things that you create using this tool. You don't need the latest camera, cinematic camera. You just need to be creative and let the viewers decide and let them immerse on your footage. That's one of the key features that you need when you create. So this is just a tool for me, and I believe I could create something greater than this. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. I just purchased this myself, and the new version of this camera is already coming out with additional features, and I believe, but still this camera, the HC-X2000, still stand out compared to the latest. Okay, so see you around, guys, and thank you very much. Just tell your story, create something every day, and share your knowledge. That's the most important. Let me know in the comment section for this setup. Alright, see you around, guys.